Hey everybody, Scottsdale, Arizona, another beautiful day. Hanging with my new buddy Kenny. We met 4 days ago, and I gotta tell you, this guy's unbelievable. He thinks, well, he's never steered me wrong, but he told me I can climb this mountain with this bike, so I'm gonna give it a go.
Look at this mountain. Look at this e-bike. Holy smokes, look at that. All right?
Yeah.
Ready? Go. 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 This mountain is straight up. I mean, straight up. I would not even be able to walk this thing. I could have climbed. And I assure you, this is the steepest path I've ever seen, and we just have to do it. We just have to do it. Oh, he's not gonna make it. You almost made it. You almost made it. All right, stay right there. Stay right there. Stay right there. All right, look at this view of the downtown Scottsdale over here. Look at these awesome buildings over here. Look at this day. Wow, right? Wow. All right. So you guys are gonna come up the hill with me, and I'm gonna show you that I'm gonna make this hill. All right, there we go. Again, this is the steepest hill I ever seen. There we go. It's steep. I'm gonna tell you something. It is, holy smoke, it's not gonna make it. I've never seen my e-bike not make a hill. I've been training for this all my life to make this hill. Oh my God! I've been training all these hill climbs to make it. Oh Jesus! I'm past the first one. This is the steepest hill climb ever. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. I'm almost to the top. I ran out of breath coming out the left. Oh, I'm almost to the top. I might make it. I gotta make it. I gotta make it. Oh my God. Oh, yo, Adrian, I made it. Oh my God. Look at this. Look how high I go.
That was tough.
You did it. Wow. Look at this view. Wow. Wow. Let me just tell you something. Now this is the best day ever, right?
Absolutely.
Yeehaw!